It is time to wrap up the garden for the year, and to do that I am going to use my BCS 853 walk-behind tractor with a couple different attachments. I'm starting out with a 33-inch wide flail mower attachment. So the corn stalks that got sucked into the machine got mulched up really nicely, but some of the corn stalks just got pushed over, and so it was kind of hit and miss. So it's going to be up to the tiller to kind of finish those off. This plot here is a very densely planted cover crop, primarily of oats, but also radish, buckwheat, and field pea. There are a lot of good reasons to plant a cover crop like this. My primary reason was to outcompete weeds, and it did an excellent job of that. There were almost none in there. This flail mower is truly impressive. This cover crop was really dense and over 3 feet tall. The corn over 7 feet tall. But with a Honda GX390 engine at 13 horsepower, the BCS didn't even grunt doing this. So we're going to switch gears from flail mowing to tilling, and to do that we're going to remove our flail mower. So we have to pop this pin and separate the implement from the machine. And you can see there's 3 teeth there on both the machine and the implement, and those have to mesh. So that's what you see me doing here. So this is your forward and reverse. This lever right here is like your tilt on a car steering wheel. At 6'4", I'm 2 inches too tall for the handlebars here at their highest setting, which is the only thing I would change about this machine. This lever here engages your PTO, and this lever here is your gear selection. And I am using first gear throughout this entire video. This model of BCS, the 853, has 4 speeds, and the highest one is like 8 miles an hour. It's crazy. There's a lot of cool and unique features about the BCS. The handlebars rotate 180 degrees, and they also cant off to the side, which is really nice, so you're not walking in the path of your tilled soil. Tilling in bare soil with this machine is just a breeze, and I really like how it leaves it like a nice plush carpet. It really looks nice. My plan this year is to leave most of this cover crop in place over winter, giving it a chance to decompose some. In the springtime, when there's more moisture in the soil, the ground is softer and it'll just be easier to till. Or I might leave some of it and just plant pumpkins into it and see how it does in blocking out weeds. So a couple of different options, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the results are. So, garden done for the year. Check that box, feels good. I'm going to be putting out more content like this. If you're into anything homesteading, a BCS, if you're interested in one, I have more attachments for it, so I'll be making more videos like this. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one.